In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate slope automatically in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed a quick, reliable way to check a slope without doing the math by hand, this method is simple and built right into AutoCAD. We'll use the list command to read the geometry of a line or polyline and let AutoCAD report the slope for us. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work with. Give the drawing a moment to finish loading so everything is responsive. Before we do anything else, take a quick look at your geometry. Make sure the line or polyline you're using actually represents the slope you want to measure. The start and end points should match the two locations you're comparing. For best results, use a straight line or a single straight polyline segment between the 2 points. If the object has multiple segments or curves, AutoCAD will list a lot of details that might be harder to interpret for a single slope. With the correct object in place, type list into the command line and press enter. List is a built-in analysis tool that reports key properties of selected objects. Right after you press enter, AutoCAD will prompt you to select objects. Click the line or polyline that represents your slope, then press enter again to confirm the selection. AutoCAD will now display a detailed readout in the command line area. Look for the values labelled delta X and delta Y. Delta X is the horizontal distance between the start and end points, and delta Y is the vertical difference between those points. You should also see slope percent listed. This is the rise over run, multiplied by 100, expressed as a percentage. For example, a slope of 10% means that for every 100 units horizontally, the elevation changes by 10 units. If you see a negative value, that indicates the slope is descending in the direction the line was drawn. One of the nice things about using list is that it respects your drawing's units automatically. Whether you're working in feet, meters or millimeters, the percentage slope remains consistent because it's a ratio. If the numbers don't match what you expect, double check that you selected the right object and that the endpoints are in the correct locations. That's all there is to it. By confirming your line represents the path of interest, running the list command, selecting the object and reading delta X, delta Y and slope and percent, you can calculate slope automatically and accurately inside AutoCAD.